Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I will be your violin teacher. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, press the bell and of course like my videos. Like this you will motivate to create more content for you. And of course don't forget to check my playlist with the music theory lessons, beginner violin lessons, intermediate violin lessons, bow technique and some other playlists. I already explained you the second position on the violin. Today it's time for third position. Basically the third position is not so hard like for example second position. Why? I hope you remember. The second position we keep in our hand kind of between. The third position very comfortable, and to find the third position also very easy, and the position of your hand very natural. So you don't have to stretch your hand or you don't have to bring your elbow in front of the violin. No, it's very natural. I'm pretty sure you will remember it. It will be like a deja vu moment for you. When first time you took the violin in your hand, your teacher put the violin on the shoulder, on your shoulder, and then put your hand right here. For the third position, you won't put your hand right here, you'll just put it somewhere here, next to the violin body. I hope you remember to be able to find the second position, our second finger becoming a first finger, yeah? And to be able to find the third position, our third finger becoming a first. For example, G, A, B natural and C. In the first position we are playing C with our third finger. If we will change the third finger for first finger and we will play C with the first finger, this will be a beginning of our third position. Let's try one more time with the bow. G open string, A first finger in the first position, B natural second finger in the first position, C third finger in the first position. Now we are exchanging the third finger for first finger. See, where you go? We are in the third position. After that we are continue to build our notes in the third position. C first finger, D second finger. Also don't forget, you can check D second finger in the third position on G string with open D. E third finger, F fourth finger. Now let's move further. D open, yeah? How we can find the third position on open string D? D, E first finger in the first position, F second finger, and G third finger. Yeah, the third finger G becoming a first finger. And here, attention, you can check the G first finger in the third position with open string G. Here basically we can do a shortcut. Instead of searching for the G note in the third position this way, D open, E, F, G third finger, and then move our hand in the third position, we can just find our G first finger in the third position by playing G open and then playing G first finger. Okay, maybe first time you won't be able to play G in the third position first finger in tune, but you will get it. No, no. But the safest method to find your third position on D string, to play one note after the other. D, E, F, G, third finger, replace it for the first finger, check with the open string, that's perfect. And next, what we're gonna do, we will find the notes on third position from the G first finger, A second finger. Also don't forget A second finger on D string in the third position. You can check with the open string A. Yeah. B natural, third finger, and C fourth finger in the third position on this string. Very cool. And now, by the way, you can already play a C major scale 1 octave in the third position. So what we're gonna do? First we will find C in the third position on G string. C third finger, you remember we have to replace it for first finger. And let's play C major scale. Check with the open G, A, check with the open A, and down. Where you go? C major in the third position. String A, the same technique, the same method. Open A, B first finger, B natural, C second finger, D third finger. And now move it, change the third finger for the first. Don't forget to check with the D open. Yeah, and then third position. D first finger, E second finger. Don't forget to check with the open string. F natural, third finger. G fourth finger. And we have left only one string, E string. The same thing. E open. F. Let's take F sharp. First finger, G second finger, A third finger. Again, we have to change our third finger for the first. Don't forget to check your A first finger with the open A, so you will be in the tune. A first finger in the third position, B natural second finger, C third finger, and D fourth finger. Where you go? This is your third position. And this way we can play now D major scale in the third position. Let's first find a D in the third position on A string. Don't forget to check with the open string. Or maybe if you already know how D is supposed to sound, you can straight try to find a D first finger in the third position by playing open D and then repeat it in the third position. Very cool. And now let's play that D major scale. D first finger, E second finger. Don't forget to check with open string. F sharp, check with the open string. B natural, C sharp, D fourth finger, D fourth finger, C sharp third finger, B natural second finger, A first finger, G on D string fourth finger, F sharp third finger, E second finger. Don't forget to check with open string. Where you go, you see I'm playing a little bit lower E. Yes, and D first finger. Check with open. Where you go. And by the way, I hope you remember that in D major we have two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. If you don't know this yet, you can find a video lesson in the playlist. Let me think. So many playlists already. Beginner violin lesson, and there I'm explaining how to play a D major scale in the first position. Or if you don't know how to build a D major scale, you always can have a look in music theory lessons for beginners, and there I'm explaining how to build a major scale, a minor scale, what is this, tone or semitone, because you know, for us violin players this is very important thing, tone and semitone. And of course, if you have any questions, you always can write me down below in the comments or follow me on my Instagram, valeriiavoitko violin. There we have pretty much big community already and everybody is friendly, so don't afraid, just write me and I will answer you and try to help you as much as I can. Don't forget to practice, and I'm pretty sure the third position will be much easier for you than it was the second one. Have a great day, see you next week, bye bye!